Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have an unboxing. Yes, I do. And here is the packaging. So if y'all want to see what's in this here box, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button. It really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, I'm gonna jump straight into this here unboxing. So I am here to unbox. We just gonna go ahead and unbox, y'all. Something new. It is a bag. And yes, y'all, this is my second luxury purchase for 2022. Oh my goodness, she showed out, you all. Let me just say she showed out. Not in the traditional Louis Vuitton box because I didn't purchase it from the Louis Vuitton website, but I did purchase it from the Louis Vuitton store in Florida, and I told her it was a gift. So, oh my goodness, like, look at the wrapping paper. Like, how cute. I never got tissue paper that looks like this. You all. Ooh, let me try to hold it up so y'all can see. I think her name was Diane. She left her card in here too. Oh my goodness, I told her I wanted a bag. Did she put a bag in here? No. I guess it's alright. But I did tell her I wanted a bag. So as you can see, it's something really, really small. You know what? She was supposed to... Alright, she didn't put in my samples or anything, because she said she was going to put some perfume samples. I was really looking forward to the perfume samples because I do have a perfume in mind, but she didn't put it in there, so whatever. But yeah, her name is Diane, and she's from the Miami store. The receipt. So here's the box, and let's go ahead and open it. Here's the inside of the box, and I know you like, okay, Miss Tamika. Yeah, I got another bag, you all. Okay, so she did give me samples. Okay. Would have thought she would have put it in the box, but she put them inside of the Louis Vuitton box, so that really made me happy, because I'm like, if you say you're gonna do something, you know, I mean, I wasn't tripping, but I did want the perfume samples. She did give me my samples. Thanks, Diane. Like she watched my YouTube channel, but thanks, girl. So here is the box. I mean, here is the inside of the box once again. It would have spilled on my purse or something. It's like, nah. So, oh, I got another one out of the bag. But I mean, so I have three. Thank you. Get the bag, but that's fine. So here is the item. As you can see, it's a small item. I got myself it's cold, the Louis Vuitton Felicie pochette. I'm pretty sure I butchered that, but I know it's a pochette from the actual store. So after I'm done this video, I'm going to look through this bag and make sure everything is everything, because you know, sometimes you have to make sure just in case, because you know, these particular bags are not cheap. So I just want to make sure everything is everything. No, it comes with two small items, a zipper pouch, and you also have a card pouch. It also comes with a detachable chain. So yeah, here is the gold chain that you get with this particular item. Here is the inside, and then here in the back you have your Louis Vuitton cards and information. So this is the order number for that particular item, or the Louis Vuitton textile cards. like look through. I'm so used to having, I don't know, when I purchase something new, I'm like was it supposed to have like some type of film or something on it? Because like with my Gucci, I'll show you that in a minute, it had like tape and stuff on it, just to let you know that it was like brand new. Here's the chain. Now if I do decide to keep this particular bag, I will spray it with my Apple Guard just to protect the just to protect the leather, because as you know, it's a light color, and I'm not even going to drive myself crazy about it, because with this particular bag and like my backpack, you only can wear it one way. The turtle dove only because I have the book backpack in that color, and I just felt like I wanted something different. So I plan to wear this like go type of bag, like maybe more in the summertime when I'm wearing sundresses and things like so. Main thing is I want to make sure it can hold my essentials, because like I do have on black tights, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna be really careful, because like I said, I'm still deciding on what I want to do with this bag, so I don't know if I'll have to worry about color transfer, but I'm not going to keep it on that long. Hangs really nice like how I want, because when I was watching videos on this particular item, it looked like it was hanging really low, but I do like the way it hangs on me. I hear people say with this particular item, it's hard for you to place both of these here in this bag and put your essentials in it. So see what we can fit in this bag really quick, and then of course part 2 would be more so how it looks on my body and things like so. If you didn't know, because I'm not sure which video gonna go up first, but I'm sure it's the Gucci. I did purchase this here Gucci bag. This one, see how I was saying how the tape is on the hardware, letting you know this is a spanking brand new bag. This bag I do like and I don't like. Like I like the bag, but I'm just not like, oh my gosh, I love it. So I don't know. I said, because when I tried it on yesterday, I did have on pajama pants. So I was like, maybe if I put on some clothes and then try it on, maybe it'll look a little different, because I don't know, it just looked real teeny. I don't know, I can't explain it, you all. I'm showing you this because whatever fits in here, I'm hoping it can fit in this bag. Holds a lot, even though it looks small, because I'm gonna show you how it looks on me really quick. It looks like it's real small. Like I said, maybe it was because of the pajama pants I had on and it just didn't look right. But here's the Gucci bag, and I do have it on like the next to the last, because when you put it on this last hole, which I prefer, this part sticks out and I don't like it. The issue with this bag that I don't like, because when you put it up here, it lays a lot better, but again, this here flap just hangs in a weird position to the point where it was bothering me kind of. So I'm not sure about this bag, but I did want to compare the two to see if the stuff that I have in here can also fit inside of this bag, because if not, then that's going to be a problem. These particular bags, I do not plan to use a full-size wallet, but for the sake of the Gucci video, I did pull out my full-size wallets, which was the Victorine. I think this is the Victorine, and then I also use the other Louis Vuitton wallet. So in here, I just threw some things in here. This is not what I would carry in this here particular bag, but for the sake of the video, I just grabbed this stuff. So with this particular bag, I plan to carry my iPhone, my AirPods. I already know my key situation. I carry my keys on my wrist, so I'm not worried about my keys. Now, if I do decide to keep this here particular bag, I probably will use this as my card case. This, if I didn't mention, you have 6 card slots with a slot for your money. I hear people say to be careful with this because your cards, it was a little loose. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, before I even show you this, I'm going to place my stuff in here first, and let's just see how it fits. This for now. like I said, my iPhone. I have to have my AirPods, a lip gloss, and my medicine, and my lotion. It do fit what I need, because when I carry something like this, I do not plan to carry my kitchen sink, if y'all get what I'm saying. It's really nice on, and I do like the way it hangs on me. Let me go back a little. So yeah, I do like the way it lays on my body. Keep in mind, I will not carry that particular wallet. I'm just trying to see if it can hold that kind of wallet. Gucci was able to hold that wallet. So everything in the inside. Now, of course, I know I can't carry my vlogging camera, but I'm not worried about that, because most of the time when I'm out and I take my daughter with me, she usually carry like a backpack or something. So I'll give it to her, or I'll just hold it in my hand, or just grab like a small little bag for the camera or whatever. Plus, I don't vlog like that, where still I need to have it in my purse at all times. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. So it do hold, like I said, what I needed to hold. No, for sure it may not hold this particular wallet. Now keep in mind, the Gucci bag can hold this wallet and all of my essentials. Might be wrong. So it can fit. Now let's see. I do have a kind of bulky case. So I mean, it's fitting, but again, I will not carry that particular wallet with this hair bag. I need to carry these here all the time, but I'm just using them for the sake of the video. So it did fit everything. Close it in here with that particular wallet. So like I said, that's another good thing, because with those YSL bags, I was struggling so much trying to fit my essentials. So this here do fit everything that I need. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out, and I'm going to place some of my cards inside of here, inside of one of the pouches. I picked this particular bag because I like how you were able to get like 2 extra bonuses. The bags, like, they don't have to actually go in that particular bag, and that's what I ended up liking. My lotion and my medicine. See if that will close. So it do close, but I'm sure putting it in this particular bag is going to cause the bag to bulk out. So I don't know. Let's see if I still have room for my iPhone. So it's a little, yeah, it's a little tight. It's like giving it a little funky. Like it's kind of like can fit. But if you can see the little dent right here, and of course I don't like that, because eventually that will probably show some type of wear. I don't like the way this hair is looking, so I will have to take something out. For instance, if I did want to carry both pouches, I probably would put all my essentials, or at least try to put all my essentials in this here little pouch, and then put my cards in the other pouch, and then that'll be all I need. Likely, I'm not sure if I would carry both, how this thing looks with cards in it. I don't never double my card slots, only because eventually that will wear the card slots down. So me personally, I do not like to put 2 and 3 cards in one slot. This here card slot holds, okay, I thought it was 6. I thought it was 6 total. It's actually 8 cards. Said I had BJ, Sam's, my Bloomingdale's, my credit card, Costco's, driver's license, Target, another credit card. Say for whatever reason we have some money, so it can fit a bill straight. Like, you don't have to fold it to put it in here. So if you do for whatever reason need to carry cash, you have space for that. Just say all I need is this, and I'm not going to carry that extra pouch today. I'm going to just grab, okay, I can fit that lipstick, so I will have to stand it up. I need my AirPods, so yeah, let me see. Eyes are kind of like struggling to fit. Now, why? So my AirPods were able to fit, but it's like it's not laying right. If I move the lipstick out the way. In order for my AirPods to lay flat, I will have to like put them against the back. My medicine in there, like I said, I don't really need that. I just pulled it out for the sake of the video. I do want to carry some type of lip product. Just do take up more room in the bag. So it do close. Now I will show you a little trick. I saw someone like double the strap and turned it into a like a shoulder bag, which I thought was really cute. So yeah, you all, I'm going to have to behind the scenes and play with this hair bag to, you know, make sure everything is everything. Now looking at it, it do look like everything is everything. Saying that before, and then when I turned the camera off, I saw something. So like this particular item is a good buy because of the fact that you get 2 extra bonuses with the bag. And y'all know how I feel about my blush pink, hence the blush pink sweatshirt. And it looks nice. I thought the inside was like that microfiber material, but it's not. It's like a canvas or whatever this is. The only thing with this, I will have to spray it with my Apple Guard because I don't want no issues. It's like this, and I don't want to be scared to buy stuff like this because I like what I like, because you know I love pink. I'm a girly girl type of person, but you know I don't want to have this bag years to come and this whole back of the bag is just dirty. You know, like that's just not cute. So yeah, you all, your girl got herself a Louis Vuitton purse. Louis Vuitton here. I'm over here filming. I suppose. Oh yeah, okay. I've got good timing because I worked today, you all, and I wanted to go ahead and film this here video. I could probably add this to like one of my other bags because if y'all didn't know, I do have a pochette in the monogram print. That's an older version. I think they came out with newer versions, but I do have the older versions, and I can see this here looking nice on that particular pochette because of the fact that it's like this, but it has the zipper. So with that being said, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed this here unboxing. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so you can see my updates on these particular items. So with that being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. Before you go, please don't forget to click on that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.